All right, we're all done cutting the file. This is what it's going to end up looking like. This nice little tree one. This is perfect for the holidays. Now, in order to get your lip balm in, here's your lip balm. Make sure it's facing the right direction. Move this back a little. You see the little teeth? Okay, and then you poke it through. Poke it all the way through into the other sets of teeth that are in there. Close it up. And there you go. Nice little present for the holidays. And you know how it is during the holidays. You can even go onto Amazon and buy a whole bunch of lip balms in bulk. Personalize them if you want. And then you can just cut out the SVG. Now, the beautiful thing about this SVG is that you can actually get two on an 8.5 by 11. So you're not wasting your time like one page per project. You actually can get two on a single piece of paper, which is great. Now for the acetate, if you're having a hard time finding it, you can easily just go to Dollar Tree, get yourself some cellophane bags, the clear ones or the decorative ones, whatever you want to get. You get about 25, cut them in half, and it'll work for like a 12 by 12. Actually, it's a 12 by 24, the size of it, because it opens up. All I'm doing right now is just scoring everything. Now, I use the dash line SVG primarily for two reasons. One, you can see it better, and two, I can see it better. That's the only two reasons. Make sure you score every single little one. You also get one like right there. There you go. That's it. Okay, the first thing I'm doing, putting the acetate on here, because that takes a little bit longer than putting paper to paper. Once you got paper to acetate, it takes a bit. Now you don't need a lot, because once you use something to spread it out, it's gonna spread it out. And I'll show you here what I'm gonna use. Just line that up. Okay, I'm gonna grab myself. It stuck to it. You know why? Because I was using it over and over again and it got a little bit of glue. All right, plan B. Blue painter's tape. There you go. Ta-da! Spread everything evenly. Now, if you get some of the on the front, grab yourself a little wipey and just clean it up. There you go. That's it. Now let that dry. Just move it to the side and let it dry. All right, we're moving on to these little teeth, little box area right here. Now, I'm only putting glue here, 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 and here. That's it. That's all I'm putting glue. And you don't need a lot. Again, when you're working with fast adhesive, like this type of glue, this Tombow glue, you don't really need a lot. Fold it, line it up, and crimp it with your fingers. Just wait for a few seconds there. How you doing? Pretty good? Yeah, me too. All right. Make sure it's all the way to the edge. And then let's do the same thing over here. And the main reason why I keep closing this right away is because, again, this is quick drying glue and I don't want the opening to get solidified. 3, 2, 1, let it go. All right. Oh, this needs a little more TLC. It's starting to come up. 3, 2, 1. Good. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Just want to make sure everything's glued down. All right. Gonna hold this up. Put this in. Put that in. I'm going to do it again. Now, it does not matter, and I'll show you here in just a second, it does not matter which direction you place this onto the project because all of the sides are the same. Okay, and I'll show you what I mean here in just a second. Okay. All right, I'm just holding it here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There you go. Okay, what I mean about it doesn't matter how you place these onto the box. I mean, it's because all of these sides are the same size. So if you put it like this, flip it over, it's still the same size. Okay, now let's attach these. We're going to put just a little bit of glue right here at the very edge of our scores. We're just going to place them down right there. Just make sure that this doesn't interfere in any way. I'm just holding this down. Oh, my kitty's here. Oh no, I thought she was asleep. Now make sure that the teeth are facing inward. You do not want it to be this size. Otherwise, you're just going to have a hard time. And there she is, my tiny little tyrant, wanting my window. I'm going to let her do her thing, but afterwards I'm just going to have to close my door because she will start making appearances. And here she comes. There she is. There's my little pumpkin. Okay. All right. That's good. All right. All of this is good. It's not interfering. All right. We're going to have ourselves a little bit of glue. We're going to put this on each side. We're not putting any glue here or here. We're putting it right on the sides here. And she is completely tired of my present and on her way. Just like a cat. All right, next place you're going to put glue is right here. Now, we are not folding this side. We're going from this direction. And the main reason is this tab needs to go over. The main reason is because you want a seamless line. I mean, seamless box. So as you're moving, you'll notice that it's going to go up over. And then you're going to close it right there. Hold it there for a few seconds. And as you can see, the box is now seamless. You don't have anything poking out whatsoever. Okay, I'm just going to hold that down for just a bit. Now, the only last place that I need to glue is right here. This little tab. And I left that to the last because I wanted to focus primarily here and make sure that that glued down properly. Otherwise, if I put glue here and it dried and it stuck to someplace I didn't want it to stick. Okay, just hold that for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and done. There you go. You got your box. You just wait. You gotta wait and let this dry, and then you have to put it like that. Close this properly. All you gotta do is grab your ribbon. Mine is a little too long, but that's fine. Now, don't ding me of this. I am not great at making bows, but I'm going to do my best attempt. And squeeze. There you go. Making the trees pop up. Guys, gives you a nice little bowl effect, which I love. And then grab my bow. Now, you can spend forever making your bows look nice. I'm not that great at making bows, so I don't want to spend all video trying to make this work. But there you go. Bow! I made a bow. Grab yourself some scissors. Cut here, cut there. Beautiful. All done. Oh, I just made that fall. And now you have 2. Now, if I didn't mention it before, but I think I did, you can get 2 SVGs out of 1 piece of paper, an 8.5 by 11. So more banging your buck, especially if you have a whole mess of these, lip balms that you're going to give away. Having 2 times out of 1 sheet of paper is so much more effective rather than just wasting 1 whole piece of paper. But there you go. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you so much and have a beautiful day.